Hello students, welcome to revision class on chapter number 8 shapes. We are doing revision for maths online test. Yesterday we have done revision on chapter number 7, that is measurement. And today we are going to do chapter 8, that is shapes. First I will only explain in brief for the revision. Okay, so first of all let me explain about the plane figures. Okay, plane figures are those that can be drawn on the surface of a paper. Okay, what are they? Plane figures are those that can be drawn on the surface of a paper. For example, triangle. Okay, a triangle is a plane figure with three sides. Okay, and three corners. A triangle is a plane figure with three sides and three corners. Which are the three sides? This is the first side, this is the second side, and this is the third side. Alright? And it has also got three corners. This is the first corner, this is the second corner, and this is the third corner. Here you need to know that a corner is also called a vertex. Okay? If I say corner or even if I say vertex, it means the same. Alright children? Okay, our next plane figure is about square. Okay, a square is a figure with four sides and four corners. Square is having four sides. This is the first side, second side, third side, and fourth side. It has also got four corners or four vertex. This is the first corner, this is the second corner, third corner, and the fourth corner or vertex. Okay, all the four sides of a square are of same length. Okay children, this side, this side, this side, all the four sides are equal in a square. Okay children, all right. Now our next figure is about a circle. Okay, a circle is a closed figure. You can see, isn't it? It is a closed curve. It's a curved line, but it is closed, isn't it? It has no sides or no corners, isn't it? A circle is having no side. It is only having a curve, that is, which is closed. Okay, so it has got no corners, no sides, no vertex, nothing. Okay, this is a rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure with four sides. Okay, this is the first side, second side, third side, and fourth side. Okay, it has also got four corners. This is the first corner, this is the second corner, this is the third corner, and this is the fourth corner. All right, now the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. See, this is the first side, and the opposite side of this one is this one. So these two sides are equal in length, isn't it? And this is the second side, and its opposite side is this one, and these two sides are equal in length, isn't it? So the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, so a rectangle as well as a square is having four sides and four corners. Okay, but in a square all the four sides are equal, but in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal. Okay children, you got my point? Okay, so now let us learn about solid figures. Okay, solid figures, the figures which we see in our surroundings are solid shapes. Okay, cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, and cone are solid figures. Okay, these figures or shape, these solid shapes have more than one face. Understand? Like cube, cuboid, sphere, this figures are having more than one faces. So let us learn how to identify or how to number the faces of a of the solid figures. Okay, so here you see face. Here in this picture you can see that this is the face. But how will you know? A face is a surface of a, what is a face? A face is the surface of a, what? Of a solid shape. For example, see, this is one face. Okay, this is another face, third face, fourth face. Okay, suppose your book, your textbook, okay, math textbook, the top part is the face, the below part is the face. Okay, all those are the phases. Understand? So the and also the side of the book, all those are faces. Understand? This part is called the faces. And what is the edge? When two faces meet, okay, when two faces of a solid shape meet, they form an edge. See, this is one face and this side also one face is there, isn't it? So these two faces meet here. So this part is called the edge. For example, you see, this part is a face, this is also a face, and these two faces are meeting on this line, isn't it? So this line is called what? It is called an, yeah, it is called a edge. Okay, now what is this? This is corner. Now you understand what is face and what is edge. Okay, now you have to know about the corner. Corner, I told you, a corner is also called as a vertex. Okay, when three edges meet, they form a corner or vertex. Okay, see, three edges meet from here to here. Okay, this is one edge. From here to here, this is one edge, and from here to here, it is one edge. So three edges meet together to form a corner or vertex. Understand? Here also in the same way. See, here one edge is coming from this side, here another one is coming from this side, and another one is coming from this side. So it is forming a edge. Understand, children? Okay, so this is the way how to count the number of edges, number of face, and number of corner. Okay, now let us learn how many corners are there in a cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Okay, okay, now when three edges meet, they form a corner or vertex. Yeah, I told you in the previous slide, when three edges meet, they form a corner or vertex. For example, you see in a cube. Okay, this is a cube, this is the shape of a cube, and these are the examples of cube. Okay, a dice is an example of a cube, and this is ice. Ice is also an example of cube. Okay, so how many faces are there? I told you how to read the faces. 1, 2, 3, top 4, below one 5. Okay, that side one 6, and the front part, okay, that is including that, this is 6. So 6 faces, and here you count it, it will be 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, below also 4, 8, and this side 4 plus 4, 8, isn't it? And this side it will be again 4, so it is becoming 12, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges are there. So now vertices, how many vertices are there? Corners will be one top here, below here 2, here 1, here 2. Okay, so 4, then here it is 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many vertices are there? 8 vertices are there in a cube. In the cuboid also same. Okay, cube and cuboid, faces and edges will be same. Okay, 6 faces, here also 6 faces, here also 6 faces. In the edges, in a cuboid 12 edges are there, in a cube also 12 edges. Vertices also, in a cuboid there are 8 vertices, and also in a cube there is 8 vertices. And the examples of cuboid are what? Book, this is a duster, these are the examples of cuboid. Alright, now this is a cylinder. So cylinder has 3 faces. What are they? The top part will be a face, and the below part and the body part. So these are the three faces of the cylinder. Okay, edges. Edges will be, how many edges are there? Two edges. Which are they? This part, okay, this part and this part. Two edges are there in the cylinder. And vertex, there is no vertex in a cylinder. Okay, what examples of cylinder? What are the examples of cylinder? This is what? A cell. Okay, cell is an example of cylinder. A tube light is an example of cylinder. Alright, children. Okay, now let us learn about sphere. Sphere has one face. This is the sphere. It has got only one face. Only one face. Okay, it has, and no edges. There is no edge and no vertices. Examples of sphere are football, tomato. Okay, so these are the examples of sphere. And this is a cone, and these are the examples of cone. This is a cap, okay, birthday cap, ice cream. These are the examples of cone. A cone has got two faces. You know which are the two faces? This part is a face, and below here, below part, the down part, this one, okay, this one is also another face. Okay, so how many faces are there? Two faces. Okay, edge, how many edges are there? This is the only edge. Okay, this one, the round part here, no, this is the edge. Okay, this is the edge, and vertex is this one. Okay, this is the vertex of the cone. Understand? So in a cone there are two faces, one edge, one vertex. So these are the main things you need to know for the test. So you learn all these things. Also you need to learn the exercise, the mental maths, and try these questions from your textbook. Learn nicely and do your online test well. Okay, children, only this much in today's class. Wish you all the best for the test. And once more I am reminding you, chapter number 7 and 8 is the syllabus for your online test. Okay, thank you, children.